I made a faceless YouTube Kids animation channel to prove that it's not going to make as much money as my personal channel, but I monetized it in 7 days, and in the first month since I started uploading videos it made me $1,000, over $2,000 in the second month, and now this channel made over $9,000 in a few months. At the same time I made a second channel with these same videos, monetized it in 14 days and made almost $300 in the first month. And in this video I'll show you my YouTube analytics, how much YouTube pays for 1 million views, my full revenue breakdown, and how you can get the same results or better.
When YouTube first began, people were just happy to be able to post their videos online for free.
Favorite sites online that lets you upload, tag, and share your video with the rest of the world, or just family and friends if you prefer.
Yes, the site's called youtube.com.
But then YouTube started sharing ad revenue with creators, and companies started paying creators to promote their products. And suddenly being a YouTuber was an actual job.